is Shaw's Colorwall. You have several options with this. It comes in both solid as well as tonal and flex styles. You have several different ounce weights. You can get a 45 ounce or a 55 ounce. The 55 ounce, you have the option of doing a blue backing as well. That blue backing, just like the Bolera, will keep spills from going through the carpet. It's a great insurance policy. So you have the blue backing, and then you have the different options. You have the tonal, the solid, and the flex. And you're able to get it again in the 45 ounce, which is gonna be great for rentals, if you're selling, if you want something just low and tight, or you can do the 55 ounce, which is just nice and thick and comfortable.